Hello everyone. In this presentation, I'll be talking on two apps developed during the local Study Jæm workshop at AEQuiz SRR. I remained in my major subject, AEQuiz lead and ambassador. I did speak on AEQuiz and the Internet Management System app in my previous presentation, which the video is on YouTube with the link the same screen. Feel free to watch the video at your convenience if you missed the previous presentation. As I said earlier, I'm speaking on two apps in this presentation, so sit tight and I hope you enjoy the ride. So first, AEQuiz. AEQuiz is an app developed by Moyolo Afasobi with the Twitter link handle displayed on the screen. AEQuiz is an app that makes use of authentic JavaScript SDK to interact with Sophia smartphone accounts. AEQuiz, as the name implies, was basically created to ask its users questions in form of a quiz which gives the user points on correctly answered questions. It has a question page where the admin add or delete questions from the smart contract questions record. The exciting feature about AEQuiz is the ability to engage with users in a competitive way using the scoreboard feature. The scoreboard feature allows the user to add their obtained points from the quiz as an I score. This I score can be updated as long as the user wishes to update it. So now I will explain smart contracts and also demo a quiz. So to start with, we going to guide again, which is at ækiti.github.io/apps. And as you can see, the guide has been fully updated, um, which the project name shows the Jama's image alongside with his jacket score. And yeah, so to get the code, which I'm going to use to explain, I'm going to the GitHub repo, which you can find easy access to the GitHub repo right at this guide page, which is here, view source. So click on view source, it opens in the new tab, and it opens the GitHub repo. So this is the GitHub repo with Jama's project alongside the guide. So I'll be making use of VS Code to explain uh, the smart contract data. So AEQuiz. So this is AEQuiz smart contract that I would explain its function and what each parameter is there. So first, after declaring the contract and the name of the contract, she created two records: question. The question record has question, which is a type of string, correct, which is the correct answer of string, and incorrect, which is the list of incorrect answers. And then she created a record called score, which is collecting username, which is a string, and also the score, which is a score. Then the record states where she's mapping each question to a string, and this string is question itself, and then the score records mapping it an address with the tuple data type of string and integer, which I believe is the score record. Though I guess she didn't make use of the score, but, maybe just for documentation reasons, she read it here. But this string is the username, while this integer is the score. Then we have the admin states, which is an address, and in the init function, the questions that the new state of the smart contract is empty, same as the score, while the admin has wallet basic identity wallet address. Then she created a function called check questions, which is checking the question, this question, the string, to returning true. Of course, as this is Boolean, it's checking if this question, which is here, is actually in the state. So if it is in the state, return true else false. Then she created an entry called a point called admin, which is requiring if this state.admin equals to the call.caller. If not, bring out not authorized. Then she created an entry point get questions, which is actually getting all the questions here. Then she also created an entry point called get scores, which is getting all the scores. And then an entry point called a statement entry point this time, because she wants to update states of scores. And the name of the function is add score, where the parameter is user, which is a string, username, and also the score, which is an integer. And she's saying let new score equals to user and also score. And then inside the state that scores with the map address, the map of call.caller, which is the address of the person calling this function, equals to the score. So with this, anytime the user changes the score, it updates the user because it's mapped with the call.caller. So then she created a statement point again called add questions, where she's actually collecting the question, correct answer, the incorrect answers, which is option 1, 2, 3, and then she's actually calling this admin now, which is checking if this call.caller is equals to the state.admin. If not, then that not authorized. Then again, she created the require function, which is checking the questions, to say this function here, check question. If the question exists, bring it out. If not, say question. So if this question, if after checking these questions, states and it finds the questions, bring out an error message saying question already exists. Else, continue with continue executing the function. Then she said, no question, which go to question, which is this, and then correct, which is this, then the incorrect, which is this list of strings, because all the incorrect options are strings. So incorrect now is in a list. Then she's updating the state of questions with the map of question here, which is saving this new question. And then she finally created a function called delete questions, in which it's getting the question, and then after getting the question, it's checking if this person has the admin access. If not, then bring out, if not, say not authorized here, which is part of the function here. Yeah, not authorized. And if not, if he's an admin, continue executing the function, which the next thing was required. She created a require function, which is also checking the question again. If the question exists now, continue. If not, bring out an error message saying question not found. Then she said, no question again, which is this map.delete now. She's using this map.delete function to check the state of this question, and then inside this question state. After that, she's deleting the question by updating the state, saying both state questions now equals to new question, and that's after she has deleted this question here. So now I would show project itself. Go through here. I'll have to go through here now. This is our guide, so I want to get the link to the app, which is here. AEQuiz. And then go to today's app. This and then paste this address to wallet address. Okay, cool. So now we have the app loaded, and I want to play a game now. So it's loading. Okay, cool. Now we have question one, which is what is the species of COVID-19? Oh, okay. Yes, virus. See what that means. Virus. Picture. Okay. That's COVID-19. Okay. Cool. Now it brought out my total score here, and then I can actually save my score now. Let's just use my words. Say save. Okay, now the contract score. Okay, cool. If you check here, you will see 30 added to blockchain for one of them. Cool. Now, this is the scoreboard, and this is the questions. So this is where the admin add and delete questions. And because I'm not an admin, it's going to have a score page. Categorize, just go back home. And let's check scoreboard for our score now. Okay, cool. Now we have Manojet 30. We have so that is 30 30. Okay, so I want to play the game again. Um, Need some questions so I can update my score now. So I have this. Okay, let's just see from there. Okay, let's see that next. Yeah, we notice our score here didn't increase. Um, yeah, let's see if I go to work. Now we have score zero. So let me input project again. Save this. So, okay. Now we have the zero update blockchain for manager. So let's check through the scoreboard. Now we have the manager zero. Cool, right? Yeah. So that's about a quiz. And now I will moving on to the next app. Okay. So SSR. SSR better put for student result recorder. So SSR is an app fully on the Eternity blockchain built by Salahu Mano, sorry, Salahu Abdul Malik, with the Twitter handle on the screen. This app also makes use of the version 6.12 of Eternity JavaScript SDK for smart contract integration. Um, the push that inspired the creation of SSR is an institution in Nigeria to solve a particular problem of student result. So SSR has the ability to restrict its users of some privileges depending on the role it has. It has three roles, which include student, coordinator, and chancellor, which has their state record respectively in the smart contract. SSR main purpose is to keep student results on the blockchain to avoid changing or loss of students' record. The student after registration can see his or her results, and the coordinator has access to add. student results, while the chancellor monitors the whole system. So now I would explain the app smart contract and also demo the code. So again, I will be going to VS Code, and this time I'll be taking SR. Okay, cool. So this is this SSR smart contract where we declared the smart contract here and named it student results, then created a record called results that is actually getting the course code, course score, and the grade as strings, and also record of students, which is getting the name, matric number as a hash, then the result is a list of results. Then states of the contract, which is student mapping it to an address, coordinator mapping it to an address, and the chancellor an address. So at the initial state, the student list is empty, same as the coordinator, and the chancellor has this address, which I believe should be his address. Then he created a function called registration check, which is getting an expression, which is a boolean, and an error, which is a string. So if this expression is false, abort and to bring out this error. Okay, then you created a function called student check, which the student is getting the students from the state of students, depending on the color of the function, and also after getting the student is saying require student, which is this. If this student does not, if this student here is not here, bring out not authorized student only. Then it's creating another function called coordinator check, which is the same, checking for the coordinator in this state of coordinators. And if this coordinator does not exist, bring out not authorized coordinator. Then finally, it's creating a chancellor check, which is requiring if this call.caller of the function is this address, else bring out not over authorized chancellor. So then it created an add student function, which is a stateful function that is going to be adding to state or updating. Then it's including these parameters, the name, and the matric, which are both string. Then saying registration check, check if the member, the caller now, actually exists in the coordinator. So if this person exists in the coordinator state, um, log out already a coordinator, which means he can't be a student. Then he created this variable called matric hash, where he's changing this string now to an hash, which was what played here. So after that, it's saying let new student equals to the name of the student, then the matric as this hash, and then the result at the initial stage when he adds himself to be empty. Then it's updating the states and using the call.caller now as the map for the student states, then saving the student as the record. Then we created add coordinator function, which is also a stateful entry point function. And it's checking if the call.caller now is a student. If it's a student, bring out already a student. About else, saying put this coordinate, put this name now in the coordinator state for this address. Then it's creating add results option where it's getting the student address, then the course code, the raw score, the grade is string, while the student here is address. Then it's calling this coordinator check now, which is here. If this person now is not the coordinator, bring out this error that is raised. And then after that, he said, let news result equals to the parameters here. Then let result equals to the state dot student dot this student now the result. What this means is getting student results for that student to this address. Then it's including this new result into that list of results for that student, for this particular student in which this function is getting the student's address. Then it's updating the result by saying state the student then this student address dot result now because it wants to update the student result equals to this new list. This is actually going to first check that result, get the result if it is empty at the initial stage, add this to it. Because when the student was created the, his account, the result here is empty. So at the initial stage, if it's empty, add this new result to it. Then if the student list now has records in it, still add this result to that record now is the reason for all this. Then it's updating the student record, the student state rather, with this new result. Then he created an entry point called students, where it's checking if this person is a student. They call the scholar is a student. Else, when student not found, then student check, then it's getting student. This is just to get student, and if the student does not exist, it's student not found. Then student result, um, checking for the result now. After checking if this called the scholar is a student. If it's not a student, return uh, student not found. Then student check again, which is checking here to see okay if the address if the code of scholar now is in the student is in the list of the state of students. Then saying okay check again. Is it authorized or not authorized? Then then it's getting the student result, which is state of student, then call the scholar, then state result. Then it's getting the coordinator as well, where saying check the coordinator state. If you find this called the scholar there, you can continue executing, else bring out this coordinator not fine. Then coordinator check again, and then finally bringing out the coordinator. Then he created an entry point called get students, which is getting all the students. Then entry point get coordinators, which only chancellor has access to. And then he created another stateful entry point called delete coordinator, where he's getting the coordinator address. Then first checking if this person is chancellor, else stop the function if it's not chancellor, then get the coordinator and then delete the coordinator by updating the state here. So basically this smart contract, and now I would explain on the demo is tab. So go to our guide again. And then we have SRR, which is here. Copy this and replace it with this. So we want to clean all this just so we get this stuff here. Oh, okay. I guess this user is a coordinator, so I will make use of that account and make use of this account. Watch this. All right, cool. This user is not a student, neither is a coordinator. So I'll make this user a coordinator, and I'll just give it test code. Let's say test code. Okay, let's see this. Run the contract for. Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Now this user is a coordinator, the name of test code, and now can add grades to student. So before that, let me make uh, this user, make this user a student with name of test students, matric number of cities, contract call. Oh, now this is a student. This is his name, and this is the hash of his matric number. And at the moment, he has 0 results. So let me add the results. So for this student now, good. Desktop should be our student. This is Sophia 20209, and raw score, let's say 75, and grade, let's say B. So let's record this now. On this. All right, cool. Now let's check student account. Refresh this to see this new result now. Great. Now we have here at the initial stage when he created the account, this was showing 0 result added. Now that he has this result, he has 1 result added. And my result now, the postcode, Super 209, raw score 75, grade B. So I guess this user is also a coordinator. So let me refresh this and add another, and add another grade. With student, let's say maths 207, raw score, let's say 80, and grade, let's say 8. And let's say record, confirm the call. Okay, now let's check user. I guess it's refresh three. Let's refresh this. Now we have 2 results are there. Max 207 A, Sophia 209 B. So that's about the student result recorder, and I hope you enjoyed that. Demo. So that about the 2 apps I was going to talk about in this presentation. You can always contact AEQuiz on our website, forum, Twitter, or Telegram using the above links on the screen. Thank you.